Hey everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed that little video as much as I did editing it. I thought I'd just make this little video. I kind of just want to sit down with you guys, chat about a bunch of things to do with the giveaway that we're having, the LUT bundle. So let's sit down and just get into it. So firstly, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying at home, staying indoors. I know it's kind of ironic that I'm saying that while sitting outside. I am extremely lucky to be based in a very remote location away from everything, so I can be outside, but if you're stuck in an apartment in a city, you know, I hope you're doing all right. I hope you're keeping busy and not going completely insane. You know, call your friends, call your family, chat to them. For me personally, I've actually been spending quite a lot of time indoors. I've sort of, you know, I'll be real with you guys. I've lost a lot of work from this whole situation. I'm sure a lot of people are in the same boat. You know, it's a terrible situation. I don't want to make this a COVID-19 focused video, but I'm staying positive and taking advantage of the situation as well to the best of my ability. And for me, as a filmmaker and a content creator, I can't be out traveling and filming now, which is what I usually do. So I'm taking this time to improve and focus on my post-production and editing skills, because that's all I can do right now. I'm, you know, editing a lot of videos that have been waiting to be edited for a while, so I think that's the best thing you can do right now. And for me personally, one of the things I've always, you know, never really liked in my videos is my text or text animation. I felt that's a big weakness for me, so I've been watching a lot of text animation tutorials. I even bought one or two text animation packs from one or two YouTubers. I won't mention who, but you could probably tell by some of the text animations that you've seen on this video or the previous one. But yeah, learning a lot, and I think that's, you know, one of the great things about the LUT bundle right now is it's a great investment to improve your color grading. And for me, you know, I've been doing this for 10 years now. I started filming in 2010, and I don't think I was happy with my colors or color grading until probably about 2017, which is when I started using LUTs. You know, and from then on I you know, started improving on my color grading, started learning about LUTs and grading, and eventually took the time to develop my own ones, which are now available for you guys in this pack. And you know, it took me 7 years to start being happy with my grading. So this is just a sort of fast track solution for everyone, to just, you know, bring up their color grading to a really high level straight away. And I also just wanted to say a massive thank you for the incredible support on the LUT bundle so far. It's been so overwhelming, and just, you know, being a part of creating something that so many people are really stoked and happy on. You know, just seeing all the before and afters being posted on Instagram, and knowing that you've created something that people are really happy with, it's genuinely the best feeling in the world. So thank you so much for that, from myself and all the other creators, guys. It's been so overwhelming. So yeah, we really appreciate that. So yeah, onto the giveaway. We have 3 GoPro HERO8's to give away, 2 Mavic 2 Pro drones, and a Canon 1DX Mark III. I believe by the time you guys are watching this video, we would have already given away at least one of these and at least one of these. We could have given away more, but I know we've definitely given away this and this so far. And all you have to do to stand a chance of winning this is buy the LUT pack, post something on social media, preferably Instagram, I think, and hashtag LUT bundle. Tag some of us as well, tag the creators so that we can see it. We'll be monitoring the LUT bundle hashtag. It doesn't have to be anything spectacular or special, but anything that kind of stands out or we feel is deserving. You know, you're going to be walking away with one of these pieces of gear. The fact that I own both of these kind of shows how good the gear is. Most of the creators in this pack probably own all of the gear. You know, I'm not even sponsored by DJI, but I use the Mavic 2. I bought this with my own money. It's an amazing product. It's helped film some of my most viral videos and viral clips on the internet. DJI, if you want to work with me, hit me up. You know, I mean, you guys have seen what I've done with the GoPro. So that's sort of the details on the giveaway. And then I just kind of wanted to move into a lot of the questions I felt have been coming up over and over again with regards to the LUT bundle. So I did talk about this on Instagram Live a few days ago. So if you watch that, this will be quite repetitive, but I hope for anyone who's uncertain about a few things, I'm hoping this video will just answer all the questions you have. And if it doesn't, please go watch my previous video on the LUT bundle where I sort of talk about my LUTs and a few of the other creators' LUTs. I'm not going to be doing much of a LUT breakdown or comparison, but I'm just going to be answering a lot of questions. So we'll get into that. One of the questions getting a lot is what program do the LUTs work with, or what apps? And right now the LUTs work with Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut, and DaVinci Resolve, as well as any other editing software that accepts a .cube file. So a lot of people wondering, you know, does iMovie take it? Does Sony Vegas? Does Filmora, etc., etc.? I can't answer that question, but what I can tell you is that if it doesn't, go download DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is a completely free software. It's arguably the best color grading software on the market. It's completely free. I know a lot of professional filmmakers who edit in Final Cut and Adobe that do their color grading separately in DaVinci Resolve. So if you're using iMovie or Filmora or Sony Vegas, whatever other editing software you use, you can export your video on that, put it into DaVinci Resolve, and color grade it there with the LUTs. So that is the ultimate solution for everyone who's unsure about what product it works with. If you use a different editing software to Adobe or Final Cut, get DaVinci Resolve and color grade on that. Some people want to know if it works in any mobile apps. It works with the Video LUT app. That's at least on iPhone. I'm not sure if that app is available on Android. You know, LUTs can be used in a mobile app. I wouldn't say it's optimal or you know, the best way to do it, but it is possible. So that's sort of the mobile solution at the moment. Another question that's come up is this a one-time fee or a subscription? It's a one-time fee, and the LUTs last forever. The LUTs don't expire. Once you purchase the LUTs, you have them forever. Bear in mind, there's only a few more days to buy these LUTs, and then they're gone forever. Most of them aren't publicly available. I don't even sell my LUTs. I know a lot of the other creators don't, and whether they'll be ever available again separately, I don't know, but you're never going to find this deal again. And that's kind of the urgency and why all of us are posting about it, is we're trying to not be as spammy as possible, but we're also just kind of, you know, we really want to show you guys that, you know, this is the one and only time you're ever going to get this deal. So take advantage of it if you can. People are asking what cameras does the LUT bundle work with? It works with pretty much every camera on the market. Like I said in my previous video, my LUTs are optimized for GoPro cameras. So if you're using my LUTs, they're going to perform best with any GoPro footage. They do work relatively well with DJI footage as well. Mostly if you're shooting with kind of the auto settings, not the flat color profile settings. I know a lot of the other LUTs are optimized for flat color profile. So if you use my LUTs on a flat color profile, you're going to have to bring up the intensity, bring out the saturation in order to get the results you want. But regardless of what camera you use, whether it's an iPhone, GoPro, a Sony, Canon, there are LUTs in this pack that'll work for you. You might have to tweak them a little bit, but the LUTs will work for every and any camera. And along with that question, people also asking what color profile. You know, same thing. It doesn't really matter. I think if you want to not have to edit the LUTs much, maybe go with a flatter color profile, but you will have to do a little bit of tweaking, and that's just the way LUTs work. Yeah, if you want to know more about that, just watch my previous video. I'll have that linked below. People also want to know if there's a place to preview all of the before and afters of every LUT. Unfortunately, there's not. There was supposed to be something like that on the website, and it just hasn't happened yet, so I do apologize for that. But that being said, there are already a lot of great review videos popping up on YouTube, so I'll even link 1 or 2 review videos below. This is just by, you know, customers of the LUT pack. These guys have gone on, bought it, and they've, you know, been really nice to make a video talking about some of the LUTs, showing before and afters, and talking about what the cameras they've used. So if you want to see how some of the customers have been using the LUTs and their experience with them, I'll have 1 or 2 you know, review videos linked below in the description as well. So another question I've actually been getting a lot is everyone's asking if PayPal is a payment option. So yes, but unfortunately not on the website. We made a massive mistake in not implementing it, and we try to add it later, and it's just to cut a long story short, we're just not able to put it on the website. If you want to pay with PayPal, just email info@lutbundle.com and say, hey, I watched Chris Rogers' video, he said I can pay with PayPal, please help me with this, and someone will get back to you. They'll set up that for you to pay with PayPal. I'm sorry it's not the most convenient option for you guys, but you know, we're making it available in that way. So if you want to pay with PayPal and you can't pay with a credit card or any other form of payment, just email the guys. You know, say I sent you, say you watch this video, and someone will arrange that with PayPal for you guys. So another question is, will the LUT pack always be available? No, this offer ends in a couple of days. So get on it now. If you click the link in my profile to go look at the LUT bundle website, there's literally a countdown timer that'll tell you when the offer expires. So get on it, guys. That's why I'm making this video. It's, you know, this video is gone, the LUT bundle is gone in a couple of days time, so get on it. You know, that's why I'm making this video, and why everyone else keeps pushing it on their social channels, is we don't want to have anybody regretting not buying this pack, because once it's gone, guys. It's not coming back. So if you haven't watched my previous video, I also mention a way that you can sort of potentially get the LUT bundle for free. If you're interested in that, I will have my previous video linked below, and I also talk about the issue with Premiere Pro and the color grading export issue. It's got to do with the gamma LUT, and yeah, if you want to know more about that, there's a link to my blog where you can download that LUT for free, and I kind of talk about the whole issue with that. So if you're an Adobe Premiere Pro user, you're definitely going to want to go check that out. And then another question was, do I need to be a professional? Could an average Joe use them? I would say anybody can use them that has a basic understanding of any kind of video editing. You know, it takes watching one or two tutorials. Well, I mean, Sam has made tutorials on the LUT bundle website of exactly how to use the LUTs. It's not difficult to find other tutorials on YouTube as well. I'd say it's a pretty basic thing to use, but it can also get technical in, you know, tweaking and remixing and adjusting the finer details of a LUT. But just applying the LUT is a pretty basic process. Okay, so I think that hopefully answers all the questions that you guys were unsure about. I'm gonna have a whole list of all the links in the description below about everything I've mentioned, so if you want to go check those out, I would highly recommend you do that. Yeah, once again, just thank you so much for all the support. I'm so blown away by this response. It's been so awesome seeing all the before and afters. You guys have been killing it. This is really exciting, and I think for myself and behalf of all the creators in the LUT bundle, we're just extremely honored and extremely grateful that you guys are really happy with this product. So yeah, if you haven't got it yet, time's running out. Go take advantage of it. You will not regret it, trust me on that. And if you don't believe me, go watch the review videos from, you know, customers. Those obviously have no higher agenda or can't be biased. So